How to make SoundCloud your Discord status. So to do this, you have to add a bot which is Prem ID. Now you have to just go and click on this first option here. Now let's go and click on here. Now here you will get this option of get Prem ID here. So let's just go and click on it. Now you have to select your browser. So I will just go and select your browser here, right? And I will just go back, and you have, depending upon your browser, you have to select one of this option. Now here you have to just add to this Chrome, right? And once you add, you will get this new feature on your Discord, and automatically SoundCloud will be available for your status, right? So let's say that this is my Discord here, and once I'm back to my Discord, you have to check one more thing here. You have to go to the overlays section, right? So this is activity setting. You have to just go to the games overlay, and you will, here you will able to find it, or activity or register games, and here you can find it. Now if you're not find it, you have to just go and click on add it. Now here you will able to add this option of SoundCloud, which will be running behind your screen, and you will able to see this, right? So this is how you can do this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.